Good morning and Jai Hind. I am Nutan Gupta. Today I will teach English. In last video of literature, we have discussed the explanation of the chapter. Now, in this video, we will discuss about the exercise. You have done one page paragraph writing, new words, word meaning, and sentence formation in your CW copy. Now you have to complete question answer or learn to read in your CW copy. First question you have to complete in your copy. What was Father Anansi famous for? Father Anansi was famous for his wisdom. Father Anansi was famous for his wisdom. Now second question is the book work. You have to complete this answer in your book. A few people came to him with the question, true or false? Yes, it is the false. There are so many people came to him with the question. Third is, people were really interested in seeking knowledge. False. Question number 4. Father Anansi helped people without charging them any fee. No. Yes, it is the false. Now question number 5, you have to complete in your CW copy. Question number 5 is, how did Father Anansi feel when the pupil came to him? Answer, Father Anansi felt very happy and proud when the pupil came to him. And next question is, what was Father Anansi afraid of? And what did he decided to do? Answer, Father Anansi was afraid that one day somebody would try to steal all his wisdom and he would no longer possess the thing that brought him respect and wealth. So he decided to collect all wisdom in his one big pot and hide it in the forest. Next question is, why did Father Anansi keep falling off the tree? Answer, Father Anansi kept falling off the tree because he had strapped the pot in front of his body and tried to climb the tree. Next question. How did Kwaku Tissin help his father? All of you have remembered? He was falling again and again. Then Kwaku Tissin helped his father by suggesting him to put the pot on his back while climbing on the tree. Let's see the further question. Why was Father Anansi upset? And what happened as a result? Then, what happened? Father Anansi was upset to think that all his wisdom was no use if his son knew how to perform that simple thing better than him. As a result, he grew angry and he threw the pot down on the ground. Next question. Can you think of 3 words to describe Father Anansi? This answer you can do by yourself or by this copy. First, 3 words to describe Father Anansi are egoist, because he was very egoist person, wise and angry. He was also wise person and angry person. Now next question. If you found your grandmother's secret recipe for a delicious cake or pickle, what would you do with it? अगर आपको आपकी दादी की रखी हुई कोई रेसिपी मिल जाती है केक की या अचार की, तो आप उसका क्या करोगे? The answer of this question you have to write by yourself, whatever you want to do. Now question number next. List some special gifts and talents that people have. Means कौन कौन सा टैलेंट पीपल के अंदर होता है, कौन कौन से स्पेशल गिफ्ट्स होते हैं, ये आपको लिखना है. Which of them can be shared freely? और उनमें से कौन सा ऐसी चीज है जो आप फ्रीली शेयर कर सकते हो लोगों के साथ. एंड वाई डू वी नीड टू पे फॉर सम ऑफ देम. फिर हमको उन सब के लिए कुछ कुछ चीजों के लिए हमको पे क्यों करना पड़ता है. द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन you can also give by yourself, because this is according to you. Some special gifts and talents that people have, there may be more. First is wisdom, knowledge, painting, singing, oratory skill. We can share our knowledge and wisdom freely. We need to pay for some of them because use them as their source of income. We have to live our life also. That's why we have to pay for some of them. Now we will discuss about the books exercise. Now we will start the books exercise. Learn words. Learn words में this is the one exercise. Synonyms are the words that mean nearly the same as another word. Now question is, now find 9 synonyms of the word wise in this puzzle. There are also 5 antonyms or opposites of wise. Can you find them? Now you have to find synonyms and antonyms from this puzzle. This is your homework. Now next exercise. Now exercise B from the learn words. Now complete the following sentences with suitable words from the bracket. Now you have to choose the suitable words for every sentence. Ankush may be aware, but he often makes careless mistakes. Now second sentence. A Senegalese proverb states that an intelligent enemy is worth more than a stupid friend. Now third sentence. Tom always boasted to bring very smart until he failed the final exam. Now fourth. The wise woman was asked many questions that were not, हालांकि उसने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे, but that were not intelligent. The soldier क्या होते हैं? Aware. Soldier became aware that the enemy troops were moving in the same direction. Now we will start next exercise. Now we are doing learn grammar, subject and predicate. The subject is what the sentence is about, and the predicate tells something about the subject. Now exercise. Draw 1 line under the subject and 2 lines under the predicate. What is the subject in this sentence? My friend's mother. You have to draw only 1 line under the subject. And now baked a lovely chocolate cake for her birthday. This is the predicate. You have to draw 2 lines. Second sentence. The children sang a song at the party. The children is the subject. You have to draw 1 line. And sang a song at the party. You have to draw the 2 lines for the predicate. Now C sentence. The school hall was decorated with the balloons. The school hall is the subject. You have to draw 1 line. And was decorated with the balloon is the predicate. You have to draw 2 lines. Little Matthew argues with his mother all the time. Little Matthew is the subject and argue with his mother all the time is the predicate. You have to draw 2 lines for the predicate. And last sentence. The chief guest spoke for a very long time. Then chief guest is the subject. You have to draw 1 line for the chief guest, and spoke for a very long time is the predicate. You have to draw 2 lines. And the second question, match the phrases in column A with those of column B to make meaningful sentence. A. Ray Tomlinson climbed Mount Everest when she was only 13. It's wrong. What should be the right answer? It will be fifth. Invented the first electronic message. Now second, Purna Malawat. Yes. Climbed Mount Everest when she was only 13. Answer will be 1. All of us. Yes. Answer number 3. Awoke the baby. No, it's wrong. Answer should be 4th. We all of us should save our rivers and lakes. Now D. The early bird. Yes. What should be the answer? Second, catches the worm. And last, the noisy neighbors. Last answer. Yes. Awoke the baby. Third answer. Now we will do next exercise. Book work. Now learn grammar. Next exercise. We use the simple past to talk about things that happened in the past. As you know, we use the past continuous to say that we were middle of an action happening in the past. The past continuous is formed the past tense of to be. To be means is a was were. To be plus ing. Yes. Now question. Write out the what each person said using the past continuous. One has been done for you. First sentence is, reporter, what were you doing at the time of the explosion? It means what were you doing? Were is the past tense. And the second sentence, Mario, eat breakfast. This is the clue for you. Eat breakfast. You have to complete the sentence with this clue. Mario, I was eating breakfast. And you have to complete like this all the sentence. Second, C sentence, Luigi watched TV. I was watching TV. You can prepare any sentence by using this clue. Mrs. Clue is talk phone. Mrs. Rosie, I was talking on the phone. Yeah, Mrs. I was talking on the phone. Mr. and Mrs. Romano, we were dropping the children to the school. Next sentence, Gina and Marco, and clue is serve tea cafe. We were serving tea at the cafe. And last sentence, Anna, clue is sleep office. I was sleeping in the office. Next exercise is also the same. You have to complete next exercise with this picture. Ravi went to the park last evening. What was happening there? When he arrived at the park, look at the picture and complete the sentence given on the next page. This is the picture. You have to prepare the sentence by according to this picture. Lizzie and Shefali sit on the bench. Lizzie and Shefali were sitting on the bench. B is Navnita skip. Navnita was skipping. C is Kanis and Koel drink water. Sentence is Kanis and Koel were drinking water. Mark eat popcorn. Answer is Mark was eating popcorn. And E is Mrs. Nanda feed duck in the pond. Answer is Mrs. Nanda was feeding ducks in the pond. Now you have to write one paragraph in your language copy. Write a short paragraph on any person you know, a friend, a member of your family, a neighbor who has a strange habit and behave unusually. As we know, there are so many neighbors uh, in our society and colony. You have seen your friend, a member of family and neighbor, those who are doing something unusual. You have to write about a paragraph in your language copy. And second also, and another work for language copy is write a short paragraph on something that you did for someone or something or someone did for you. एक ऐसा पैराग्राफ लिखना है जिसमें आप किसी के लिए कुछ वर्क कर रहे हो और किसी ने आपके लिए भी कुछ वर्क किया हो. एंड यू हैव टू यूज दिस चार्ट. इट मे हेल्प टू बिल्ड द एन अकाउंट ऑफ द एक्सपीरियंस, जो आपको हेल्प करेगा पैराग्राफ लिखने के लिए. यू हैव टू यूज दिस चार्ट ऑल्सो. एंड दिस इज द लैंग्वेज कॉपी वर्क. If you have language copy at your home, then you have to fill in your copy. Or if you don't have language copy, you have to complete this in your rough copy or revision copy. Thank you. Now homework. Homework for today is you have to write the paragraph, these two paragraphs, and you have to frame the question for question bank. And if these question bank you have to write after the question answer. Thank you.